Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna draw a male character, three-quarter view. So starting off with the circle. Take your time with it. Try to get it as best you can. Right, and at the end, right at the corner, so the line are gonna be perfectly centered because looking from angle. Start drawing this center line right there, and right at the other part of the circle, you draw a little arc-like shape. From the corner, you go outward, then you slightly go inward. And you're going to curve at the bottom of the chin. And you're going to slowly bring that line up towards which part you made the arc. Well, a little past that. Just a tad bit. Alright, just fixing up the cheeks a little bit. Alright, bring up that line a little bit. And right by which part you made the line before, you drop in the ears. Just a simple little shape. And just get rid of the line. And at the back of the ears, you follow that curve from the back of the head and you bring it down. And right about, see how I'm measuring? About there will be the other part of the neck. Slightly away from the chin. Now just bring in, drop in the shadow for the neck. Right, now start drawing a straight line going across. Alright, just draw a little almond-like shape for the eyes. And on this other side, the eyes will be slightly a little further. And you see how it touching the arc shape we made before. Just add in the eyebrows. Alright, now coming down, following the line. You curve across and you add a slight line and you curve upwards for the nose. And right by the line a little bit outwards, you add in the mouth and the little shape at the bottom for the bottom of the lip. Just fix up the jaw a little bit, darken up some lines, especially by the cheek. Right, now you could start working on the inside of the ears. It's a little more complicated, but try your best with it. You don't have to be perfect at first. Alright, now slightly raise the guidelines for the eyes. Right. Now just starting with the top of the eyes, just darken up the top area. Alright, add a little line at the bottom. So you're basically just following the guidelines basically at this point. And draw a line above the eyes, and that will just be it's kind of like them folds we usually see. And right here, dropping in the eyes, just kind of like a half circle. A little bit of shadow underneath the nose. Just start lightly erasing the side of the cheeks right there. Go and fix the curve a little bit. A little bit more shadow for the neck. Add a little tiny dot for the pupil. Right, so right above here, we're going to set in place the hairline. So this character going to have like, a widow's peak type hairline. I don't know what it is. I just like, going for this hairstyle. I don't know, it just look cool. Right? And that arc we made, it kind of like giving you a set position to where to place, the kind of handlebars you usually see. Right, and just, working on the forehead there. Just adding some shadow to the eyes right there. Just erase the guidelines for the ears. Going back in, fixing that shape a little bit. Right, lightly get rid of the line for the face and the top of the head. Right, and for this hairstyle, it's gonna be kind of like slid back a little bit, but it's gonna have like some spikes going up. So just erasing, I didn't like what I was doing right there with that spike, but yeah, just following the shape of the circle and you're going backwards. It's pretty simple, you know what I mean? Just like that. And it's gonna be slightly above the circle as you could see there. Alright, I'm back again. Start erasing some more of the guidelines. Especially start to knock out the line, the guideline you made for the circle. Right, and right from that point, you're going with a fast motion. These gonna be like the hair strands that sliding backwards. So just think of it as like somebody put like some gel in the hair and comb the hair backwards. You know what I mean? But some parts in comb fully, so some hair strands just like poking out. But yeah, and to be honest, you could go kind of like crazy with it. You know what I mean? Because if we look at we only hair, it's not really like perfect and stuff like that. Like all these hair strands ain't gonna be the same. So right at the side, like that's some hair strands curving around the ears right there. Right, just add a little bit of detail underneath, which part the hairline is. To add like some texture. Right, right, and right here there's just indication for the shoulders a little bit. Because he tilted at like a 3/4 angle, so it's basically kind of like he looking towards us. So right, come back in and start erasing the guidelines we made for the face, just to clean things up. And lightly tap it because you don't want to lose some of the information. Just erase. And I know I'm doing a lot of erasing in this video, but bear with me. You know what I mean? If you could get something, take your time with it. If you could get it perfect. You know what I mean? Erase if you have to. Like if I see something I don't like, I like to go back in and fix it. And don't feel bad that I had to erase and stuff like that. It's fine. Alright, so just fixing up the eyes now. Alright, we're going back in for the nose. You know, like I said before, just darkening some areas and fine tuning stuff. Alright, add that shadow back to the bottom of your lip. Alright. Alright, just clean up more areas that, a little messy. Alright, and there you have it, guys. That's the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed.